Let us prepare the L9110S motor drivers. Take a USB cable from a power bank. Usually such a cable has only 5V and ground wires only. Cut away the USB mini head and at about 7mm at the end, strip away the rubber insulation. Twist the 5V wires and also twist the ground wires. Make sure the 5V and ground wires are not shorted or connected to each other. Using solder and soldering iron, thin the 5V and ground wires. Switch the multimeter to voltage mode. Connect the USB cable to a power bank. Ensure the 5V and ground wires are not connected to each other. Measure the voltage between the two wires using the multimeter probes. If the multimeter reading is 5V, the wire at the red probe of the multimeter is 5V, while the wire at the black probe is ground. You may want to mark out which wire is 5V. Remove the USB cable from the power bank. This is a close-up view of L9110S motor drivers module. Take note the VCC and ground positions. Do note the bottom view of VCC and ground are reverse orientation from the top view. We will solder USB 5V to VCC and USB ground to the module's ground. Please connect the USB cable to a power bank to see the L9110S module power up. Do use some electrical tape to insulate completely the bottom of the L9110S motor drivers module. This will prevent any accidental short circuit when attached to OpenBot-Lite's body.